friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will make a special dish made of this leaf, which is called as colocasia leaf or taro leaf, or very well known as kesuvina in Karnataka. For that, firstly I have taken rice 3 cups and all other dal such as urad dal, tur dal, chana dal and dried methi half cups. Soak for around 1.5 hours and then grind it to a fine paste, adding some of the other ingredients such as dried red chili. Here I have taken badgi, which isn't so spicy, so I have taken around 6 to 7 of those, and adding half a cup of soaked tamarind. After which we are going to add crystal salt 1 to 1.5 teaspoons or according to your taste, and then add 1 teaspoon of jeera, also 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Grind all these to a fine paste and you can keep this aside. So after which we are going to keep some water in the idli vessel to boil, and then take these colocasia leaves washed properly. Apply the fine paste to these leaves, however I have shown here. So cover it completely with the paste and then keep one more leaf upside down. You have to keep all the leaves upside down like this and apply the paste. So this dish is well known called as Patrade in Mangalore. Spread the masala paste properly, evenly onto the leaves like this, and then fold the leaves from sides like this, gradually applying the masala paste like this. Fold it completely. So after you fold it completely like this, you have to steam it for 20 to 25 minutes. So now all our colocasia leaves are ready. We'll steam it for 20 to 25 minutes. Until then, we'll prepare the masala to add it to the seasoning. So for that I have taken 1 cup of coconut, 10 dried red chilies, 1 cup of jaggery, and then salt according to your taste, and finally you will have 1/4 cup of tamarind. The tamarind is a necessary ingredient for this dish. It goes very well with the colocasia leaves, so make sure you add good amount of tamarind. Now we'll coarsely grind this and keep it aside. Now our colocasia leaves are cooked properly with the masala. We'll take it out and allow it to cool for some time and cut it like this into small pieces. Cut it into small pieces like this, and then after this we'll keep all these aside and then make seasoning. Take 2 tablespoons of oil and then heat it. Add mustard, chana dal and then urad dal, 1 teaspoon each. We'll fry until it is golden brown and then add turmeric powder, half a teaspoon. Finally add chopped onions and then fry until it is golden brown. After which we'll add colocasia preparation and then coarsely ground masala. So mix it well after you add the masala and cook for 5 to 10 minutes. So if you want, you can cover it and keep it for 2 to 3 minutes. And then our colocasia dish, which is famously called as Patrade, is ready. Garnish with some fresh coconut. You can try this at home and let me know how it was in the comment section. If you have liked the video, please hit like, do share with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. We'll meet with a new recipe. Until then, take care of yourselves. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.